Hello students, welcome back in a new session.
So in this session we will discuss some more components of list inside the Python programming. So now today we discuss insertion of multiple elements in the list at our required position. Programmer uses slicing mechanism to insert the multiple elements at our required location of the list. So here we have one example of this. In this example we have one list that is from 10 to 100 numbers, and here we use one mechanism. In this we have the range of lists starting from 4th index number, that is 1 2 3 4. So after 31 the value will be inserted. So in this series we have to insert 5 numbers from 31 to 36. So this series would be inserted in between 30 and 40 here. So in between 30 and 40 we use this series. Why? Because we have the starting range of 4th index number. So where is index number 4? So that is 1, that is 2, that is 3 index number, and that is 4th index number. So after the 4th index number the value will be inserted given in the range method. Okay, so that's why we got this answer. So as we take a second example, so all these operations are also called as updating a list. Here we update a given existing list. So in this example we have one list. So inside the list we have the starting value, starting index number, from where we have to change or add the given range of elements inside the existing list, and the last elements range is not given, so this would be the last range. So adding from 31 to 36, so after the last elements, that would be the 35, because 36 is a last number and we have to print add the 35. So here we use n-1 concept. Okay, so through n-1 we take here the exceeding one value. Okay, that would be again deduct from the given value. That's why we take here, and we will get the actual value which we want to add here. Okay, so that's why this is the range from 31 to 35 here has been added. Now next one is deleting an element in a list by specifying the elements. So programmer can delete an specified element by using remove function here. So how we use the remove? So here we have one list, and here we use L1, that is list dot remove, and here we use element which we want to remove from the existing list. Okay, so from the list 300 is being removed. Next one is delete the last element. So in the given list the last element we have to remove. So programmer can use pop method or function to remove the last element. Here we use L1 dot pop, and so here L1 contains the list which previously we have seen in the example. Okay, so in that we use last element was the 400. So 400 had been removed from the list. Remaining list would be 100 and 200. Now one more type is used for removing the particular message or particular element using the index number. So here we use delete an element from the list using an index number. So in this we use L1.pop, and inside the bracket we use, inside the parenthesis we use index number 2. So here 2 is the 0, 1, 2, that is 30. Okay, so here we use 30. Now we display the result of the list, so 30 is removed from this list. Okay, so by using the index number we can also remove any value or element inside the existing list. So next is delete multiple lists from the list using del keyword. So here we use del keyword, and this is the list, and this is the range of starting position and ending position. So starting position, that is 1, so that is 20 here, and the last position would actually fifth position, so here we use fifth position is the 50. So we will remove the numbers from 20 to 50. Now we got the answer 10, that is 10, then 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So using this range we can delete or remove the particular index number, index values as per the specification inside the list of range. So next is delete multiple elements in a list from specified index to last position. So here we have one starting position, and this is the last position which is not exactly given inside the list. So here we have second position is what, that is 70. Okay, and last position is 100. So from 70 to 100 the element would be delete from the list. So answer would be 10 and 60. That is the answer. Now next one is deleting all elements from the list. So how we can delete or clear all the elements? So from programmer uses clear function to delete all the elements from the list. How? So here we use L1.clear, and when we display the value of list of L1, then this would be a blank list. Now next one is delete total list. So programmer uses del keyword to delete total list from the memory. Means structure of the list also be deleted. Here we use del and list name, that is L1. When we display or print the value of L1, then that would be blank and empty without any structure of the list.
I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.